You can access on zonfair.com and scroll down to bottom and find Zonfair brand partner link. You will find the link, Zonfair brand partner. Then let me introduce you. Zonfair brand partner for you. And then, first of all, because of we're going to choose Zonfair brand partner. The Zonfair brand partner is called the Zonfair. It will be for affiliate, influencer and KOL, students and everyone global. You can join this program. It doesn't have to be in America. All other countries can promote American products. It can also be called providing a link store. It's for you. Once you have successfully registered, become a Zonfair brand partner. Why do people like Zonfair brand partner? It's because Zonfair is a floor. The first e-commerce platform ecosystem. The first integrated world is influencers. The second one is that the commission is very high. The third one is the registration fee. The fourth one is global can be registered instead of SD. Amazon and some of the major US platforms. For Americans and 6 big countries. In Zonfair, there is no language barrier. And there's no national barrier here. And the minimum payment is very transparent. It's $50. You can call it payout, cash back to your bank account. Zonfair selected from all Asian manufacturers. It's very good, very unique and almost unique. And the price is very favorable from the good manufacturer directly too. So our commission is very high. 15 to 20%. Instead of other places. You can read the details here. I feel very comfortable with Zonfair here. The benefits of affiliates and influencers. How about a friend, partner on social media? The first is that you can create a source. Income is very large. No matter what you do, you can also create a new source of income. The second thing you can call it. To create a diverse data source for you. Anytime, anywhere bright. Created to sell the product. Zonfair and also through your social network. And the third thing is brand development. Yours in part. If you succeed and sell in high traffic. And you have potential. Some of Zonfair's producers will invite. You become brand ambassador. So this is it. I think it's a huge opportunity for me. And you guys. There's potential in this thing called creativity and modeling. Then we pull the silk down, and we'll see that. The registration form. Your registration form will now include your username, email, password. When you click here, you will click into this arrangement. Let you click registration. Please remember to read this recommendation for me. Policy between brand partner and Zonfair. Here it's going to be a step called instructing you to register. In general, it's pretty simple. Then after you sign up, it will take from 24 to 48 hours. The next is when. If you register successfully, you will receive an email. The second step is to set up, store and choose your favorite products. The third thing is that you promote on social media and earn commission. After everyone, the purchase was successful. The last step is to check in. Yours every month. And withdraw money to your bank account. Quite milky and pretty good. As far as I know, with all the floors, current platform around the world. Zonfair has this remarkable feature called zero fees. Listing even you, no matter how many more products there are. There will be no advertising and there will be no advertising. Our commission will range from 15 to 20%. But basically, the product of Zonfair ranges from $10 to a few $100s. This commission is too high for me. It doesn't sell products for a few dollars here. Then there's the problem. Payment. It is very transparent through PayPal. If the minimum is $50, you can withdraw it via PayPal. And you can fill out the PayPal email here. There are many influencers and many study guests have shared a lot about the cafe, and we're going to have an online system, offline to support each other. And then there's the 5 support team. There will be marketing training teams for you. If you don't know, it's also called an opportunity. Learn more about digital marketing. For sales, you can invite them to this issue later. Then when you check it, you can click here. Let's get you involved. There will also be some FAQ questions. Then you can also refer to more. And thank you for following this video.